How to withdraw on Kraken. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw asset on Kraken. So if you want to withdraw asset or funds on Kraken, all you have to do is just go ahead and log in into your Kraken account. So in order to log in, you have to type in kraken.com and that's gonna take you to the home page and log in into your account. Once you're logged in, that's gonna directly take you to the home page, which is gonna look something like this. Now while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the funds from the top left hand side corner, and that's gonna take you to the other field. Now while you're on this field, you need to go ahead and select the withdraw button located in the top right hand side corner. After you've done that, you need to select the asset that you wish to withdraw. So go ahead and select the one. And then you need to enter in the new address information. So for that, you need to copy the wallet address of the receiver and you have to provide in the information right over here. Now you have to copy the wallet address. Now once you're done copying the wallet address or the QR code, now log in back into your Kraken account. After that, you need to paste in the wallet address, and once you're done copying the wallet address, just go ahead and tap on add withdrawal address right in between. Next page, you need to confirm the new address and enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw and confirm all sort of details. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully withdrawn from Kraken. So in this way, you can withdraw from Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.